Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of the general knowledge series and series playlist, and as well as video links I will post in the description box, so do check it out and see the video completely.
Who was the first women Prime Minister of India? Yes, the correct answer is Indira Gandhi.
Who was the first women Chief Minister in India? Yes, the correct answer is Sucheta Kripalani. Who is the composer of the Indian national song? Yes, the correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Yes, the correct answer is Fatima Bibi. Who was the first Indian women athlete to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Yes, the correct answer is Kamaljeet Sindhu. Name the first woman to win the Booker Prize. Yes, the correct answer is Bernice Rubens. Who is called the first female teacher of India? Yes, the correct answer is Savitribai Phule. Who was the first ever Miss Universe from India? Yes, the correct answer is Sushmita Sen. Who was the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft? Yes, the correct answer is Sarla Thakral. Who was the first woman to lead a contingent in the Army Day Parade? Yes, the correct answer is Captain Divya Ajit. Thank you for watching the video and Jai Hind.